Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find out the name of a place using pictures on Google Gemini. So let's say that you accidentally found a beautiful place, like a photo of beautiful place in like on Instagram or maybe on on Pinterest, and you want to know where is it, and here you can use the Google Gemini to find out. So first you can just open the app, and then here at the chat prompt you can just click on the camera icon, and then just find the photo. Just click on this gallery or the photo icon, and then find a photo on your phone. For example, in here I'm going to find it. Okay, I want to find out the name of the place. For example, okay, this one's right here. So just click on the photo, click on attach, and just wait until the Google Gemini identify the photo and show you the results. So you can, sorry, you need to enter the prompt first. Tell me, for example, tell me where is it. Just click on enter or submit, and the Gemini will identify the photo. Okay, so you can see that they will show you the name of the place, or maybe where is it. The place is in the image is Manarola in Italy, and here they will show you also the Google Maps. If you want, you can just click on the maps and find a specific place. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.